Hello everyone, welcome to yet another exciting tutorial where we excel with Donne. Today I'm going to be showing you a simple trick of splitting one cell into two. For example, suppose that you have the name John and the surname Smith in one cell and you want to split this name and surname into two different cells. How do we go about it? So the first thing that we need to do, we have to make active the cell where we want to start the splitting from. In this case, I'm going to start with cell C4 where my first name is, which is John Smith. After doing that, I'm going to hold CTR, Shift and the down arrow all together at the same time. This is going to help me select all my names in that column. After doing that, then I'm going to go and click on data. Then I'm going to go and click on text to columns. So here on text to column, you have to make sure that you have clicked delimited, and I'm going to go and click next. After clicking next, I'm going to click either comma and space and deactivate tab, depending on how your name and your surname are separated. In this case, the names are separated by space, so I'm just going to click space and then click next. So after clicking next, I'm gonna click text because this is text, and then here is asking the destination of where I want the name and the surname to be. I want the name and the surname to start from where this text is already is, which is C4. So I have my C4 cell logged, and then I'm going to click finish. And there we go. We now have our names and our surnames in two different columns. So that's how simple it is to split text in one cell into two or more cells, depending on the data that you are working on. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly hit the subscribe button and the like button so that you don't miss more Excel videos like these. Thank you so much for watching today's video. See you in the next video.